Emma is a young woman. She lives in a small city apartment. Every day she wakes up early. Today is Monday. She opens her eyes and looks at the ceiling. She feels tired. Emma looks at the clock. The clock shows 8:30. Her eyes get big. She jumps out of bed. She is very late. Emma goes to the bathroom. She washes her face. The water is cold. She looks in the mirror. Her hair is messy. She thinks she looks terrible. Emma brushes her teeth quickly. She does not eat breakfast. She does not drink coffee. She puts on her shirt, pants, and shoes. She grabs her bag and checks her phone. There are no messages. Emma opens the door and leaves her apartment. The street outside is busy. Cars move fast. People walk quickly. Emma starts to run to the bus stop. She sees the bus leaving. She waves her hand and shouts. The bus does not stop. Emma feels sad. Emma walks to the train station. Many people are there. She buys a ticket and waits for the train. The train arrives. Emma gets on. The train is full. People stand close together. Emma holds a pole. The train moves fast. She looks out the window. Emma walks fast to the office building. The building is tall. She enters the elevator and goes to the elevator. The elevator is slow. Emma feels stressed. Finally, the doors open. Emma walks to her office. She looks at the clock on the wall. It is 9:10. She takes a deep breath. Emma walks into the office. People are sitting at their desks. Her boss, Miss Green, looks calm. Emma says good morning and apologizes for being late. Miss Green smiles and tells her it is okay. Emma feels relieved and smiles. Emma sits at her desk. She turns on her computer. She checks her emails. There are many emails. She reads carefully and types slowly. Her coworker, Anna, says hello. Emma replies that she is fine. Emma feels happy. At 11 o'clock, she goes to the kitchen and makes coffee. The coffee smells good. She takes a sip and feels relaxed. Another coworker talks to her about the weather. Emma says it is sunny today. The coworker agrees. At 12:30, it is lunchtime. Emma feels hungry. She takes her lunch bag and goes outside. She sits on a bench and eats a sandwich. She drinks water and looks at the sky. After lunch, Emma goes back inside. In the afternoon, Emma works hard. She finishes her tasks. Her boss tells her she did a good job. Emma smiles and feels proud. Time goes fast. The clock shows 5 o'clock. It is time to go home. Emma leaves the office. She feels tired but happy. She takes the train again. This time she is calm. She looks at her phone and sees a message from a friend. The message says, "Let's meet tomorrow." Emma types back, "Yes, see you." Emma arrives home. She cooks dinner by herself. She chops vegetables and stirs food in a pan. She likes simple meals. She tastes the food. It smells good. She sits at the table and eats her meal. She feels relaxed and happy. Before bed, Emma sets her alarm. She thinks, "Tomorrow I will wake up early." She goes to sleep and closes her eyes. Being late is stressful. Being prepared is better. Tomorrow is a new day.